Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a demonstration, first impression of the stamp crease. This is something that I saw on Instagram. They were doing this on Instagram for I think $12.99 and I was like, no. I'm not gonna spend $12.99 on a piece of rubber with a handle. No. So I went onto eBay and I found the exact same one and I'm going to try it out for the first time. So I got this for like £1.30, something like that. It took about 2 weeks. No, it took about 3 weeks to come. No tracking, no nothing. I literally just had to sit there and wait. But considering like there's been other items that I've had to wait like 2.5 months to come from China to here. So for this to take about 3 weeks, I feel like that was really quick. I'm not gonna give away much else. So if you wanna see me trying out the Fluorescent Magic Eyeshadow Stamp Crease, just keep on watching. Okay, so the Cut-Crease stamp came in this little box here. It says Fluorescent Magic Eyeshadow Stamp Crease. I think this is about £1.30 or something like that. And it has like this huge sticker at the back, but all of the writing underneath it, I don't know if you can see, but some of the writing underneath it is not in English, so it's not worth me even pulling up the sticker to find out what it says because it's not even in my language. And on the side though, it says no more struggling for the perfect. With this simple eyeshadow stamp, everything done in seconds, you will surely get a smooth and perfect eyeshadow look every day. About the product, helps make precise eyeshadow designs for creative new looks, makes precise makeup designs for special occasions or everyday wear. Literally the same statement, just twice in different words. For beginners and the creative makeup artist, buy now to make faster and more accurate makeup eyeshadow designs. Features is that it's universally wearable, suitable for all occasions, easy to use and done in seconds. Okay, so let's see if those claims are true. So this is the stamp itself. It comes in, well, it can break away into 2 parts, but you can put it back together again. Now, it's a good idea for it to be in 2 parts. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, what if you break it? Well, as you've seen, I've just put it back together again really quickly. But I think the reason why this comes away is so that you can wash the stamp itself without getting any water on the handle, because this is some kind of material and you don't want to be ruining the material. So that's that. So when I first got this, it came in the box, but it didn't have anything like wrapped around it. It was like literally this was just inside the box. So it's most definitely advisable to wash it prior to use. You should wash it anyway because you don't know, where it was made, if there's a lot of dust on it, and you don't really want any bacteria to be put onto your eyes. So that's just my opinion. So I've washed it, I've dried it, and now I'm going to give it a go. So I believe that this is the bottom, and then this is the bottom, and this is the top. And I'm going to start with this eye here, and I'm going to put my concealer on the stamp. I haven't even put this stamp up to my eye to see whether or not it measures or anything. And I've literally done half of my eyeshadow so that we can just save a bit of time. So I've just literally fast forwarded to the cut crease part. And there's a part of me that's really hoping that it will work, because I love the way that cut creases look, but I'm just no good at doing them myself. So this would be an amazing thing to have. So here is what I have done. And now I'm literally going to oh my god, this feels huge on my eye. Oh, it did nothing. Oh, it's doing nothing. I think the concealer probably dried. No. Okay. Let me think about something else. Okay, so I'm going to use some foundation instead. And I've only done half of it this time. Oh. Nope, that's dried too. It's just not working. Like, you can see the residue of the foundation on there. The thing is, it's like this concealer that I used, it doesn't normally dry fast. That's why I'm so like shocked that it dried so fast, because even when I put it underneath my eyes, I can do both eyes, blend out one eye, take my time blending it out, put powder on that eye, and then come over and blend out this eye, and it will still be wet. I can still move it around. It may not be as wet as when I first put it onto the eye, but it's still wet. So, and then for it to do the same thing with the foundation, it makes me wonder, once a liquid comes in contact with this rubber, is there some kind of reaction that makes it just dry? Because both of them have dried in record time. Like, I can't believe how quickly those both dried. Literally on contact, it dried. Oh, let's try something else. Okay, so I'm gonna try something else. I'm going to try my Revolution Stick Foundation, because this is a little bit thicker than the concealer and the first foundation that I tried. Okay. 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 Right, so we've got something. Whether or not I can call this a cut crease, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I can call that a cut crease, to be fair. It just looks like I've put on concealer and it's transferred. Okay, let's just continue. Let's just continue. So what am I supposed to do? Am I just supposed to put eyeshadow straight over, or like what? Because this just looks a mess. This just looks disgusting. Ugh. Okay, so how I see them doing it is, once they have put the concealer down, they then put their eyeshadow onto the stamp and just go over the stamp. Just go over the area with a new stamp which has just eyeshadow on it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm literally just using a flat brush. I'm brushing on the eyeshadow onto the stamp. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, so my overall thoughts on this eye crease stamp thing is that it is complete and utter junk. I am so annoyed that it just does not work. I was so hoping that it would work, but it just does not work. Especially as I love the way that cut creases look, and I've literally followed the way that I've seen it done on the videos. Like when I saw the Instagram video, you know, they literally put the concealer on, stamped it on, put the eyeshadow on, stamped it over it, and it worked. But this is just not working at all. And I'm so gutted, because I really wanted this to be the thing that just revolutionized the way that I do my makeup and will allow me to do cut creases, because I just can't do a cut crease. This just makes it look like I've put some concealer on my eyelid and then it's just transferred a little bit up to the top. Now, this is supposed to be like a universal size, I guess. It's too big for my eye. It's not sitting comfortably on my eyelid, so I'm just finding that it's not looking how I want it to look. It's just not sitting correctly. It's just too big for my eye. For some people it might be the perfect size, and I would never chance cutting it, because I think I'll probably just end up making it a lot worse. I'm not going to get that curve as perfect and as neat as it is here, but I don't know. And it's like the concealer and the foundation, it just set as soon as it touched the rubber, it just set, and that's just not how those particular products usually react to when they're being put on my skin. That was really a little bit like what's going on here? That's really strange. I don't know. But even when I put the eyeshadow on here and tried to apply it directly, nothing came off at all whatsoever. I just feel like the rubber, it just holds on to whatever you put onto it. It just holds on to it. It's like a magnet, and it just will not let it go. It will not transfer it onto the eye. I don't know how everybody else gets it to work. I don't know how they got it to work in the video that I saw. I haven't watched anybody on YouTube use this. I know Manny did one because I saw something come up in my feed as like a recommended video, but I didn't watch it because I wanted to do it myself. So now I'm gonna go and watch Manny's and see whether or not it worked for him, but it really just did not work for me. It's so irritating. It's so irritating. But even though it was like £1.30, I'm not feeling like I'm out of pocket because it was only £1.30. So considering that it was at such a low cost, I don't feel like I'm at a loss as such, but it's just a disappointment. Like, oh, I wanted you to work. I wanted you to work. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? It's just sad. So I don't think I will ever draw for this again. I just don't think I'll ever draw for it again. It's just pointless at this point. And the thing is, I was hoping that if it was to work, I was gonna buy like a few more stuff and put them in a giveaway, but that's just out of the question. It's just pointless. Ugh, rubbish. Absolute rubbish. So don't bother to spend your money on it unless there's something that I'm doing wrong that you know that I'm doing wrong. Like, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Like, please, if you know that I'm doing something wrong, tell me what it is I'm doing and I can retry it again. But until then, I'm just gonna have to say that it's a no from me. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Put me on notification. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.